In a big move, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has addressed GMC doctors' suspension issue. Following a widespread criticism and discussion with Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, CM has confirmed that Dr. Rudresh Kuttikar will not be suspended. In a social media post, CM has reaffirmed government's commitment to quality healthcare. The CM praised Goa's medical fraternity, highlighting their dedication and tireless service in saving lives. Dr. Sawant also assured the people of Goa that the state government, alongside its healthcare professionals, remains steadfast in upholding the highest standards of care for every citizen.
विजिट केली यो डॉक्टर विजिट केली एक पेशंट्स बी आशिल्ले थोडे पळोवपाक आयिल्लो मुद्दम आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें टायम टू टायम आमचे डॉक्टर्स बी सगळे बरें काम करतात तांकां कितें खंय कितें कमी लागता जास्त वयर सकयल जाता तें पळोवपाक आनी आयज लोकांचे कंप्लेन एक सीएमओ एक डॉक्टर रुद्रेशाची ताका सस्पेन्शनाची ऑर्डर हांवें दिल्या.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.